Hi everyone, I'm Zen from Builders Hardware. Our showroom is still currently closed. We will not reopen this year to reduce the risk of COVID. So today I'm going to show you how to install this latest FOTILE model AMG9007. So this is the latest model and I think it is quite difficult to install. So if you are going to do it yourself, do watch this video to the end. First step, take out the motor and the glass panel and put it on the floor flat like this, on the flat surface. Next, at the top of the hood, you will see there are two screws here and there. Remove these two screws first, hence you can remove this cover. After removing the two screws, slot out the second layer of cover first. You just slide it out, and then you can now remove the first layer of panel. Next, at the bottom of the hood, you will see two screws. So remove it. After removing, this will drop out. It's okay, you don't have to use this part anymore. Okay, the next part now, we will slot in the top motor to the bottom glass panel. So the motor will be going inside. It will just slot in like this, that's all. Then the wire has to go through the groove, like this. Next, connect the wires according to the shape. You should have one more extra. This one will be connected to the LED light later. Next, you should have this M4x8 units, which is this one. Okay, get 3 and screw it here. 1, 2, 3. And then next, you have this one, M4x10 4 units, which is this, flat-headed. This one will be used to screw at the side here. Here 2 units, another 2 units at the other side. Next, slot in the hood back into the styrofoam. Get someone to hold it to support it. And then at the back here, you need to put in this M4x8 screw, 3 units. 1, 2, 3 to tighten it. Next, reinstall the top cover like this. And then pull out the LED cable and connect it to this final connection. To reinstall the top cover, first at the bottom here you see there is a screw. Somewhere here there will be a hole, so you need to go down, target it in to the hole, and then push the cover forward. That's all, it will fit in. Next step, after installing the cover, this screw which we initially removed, reinstall back here. Next, to install the outlet housing, usually for better airflow and lesser noise, we will remove this flapper door. Next, you should have this M418 screw, 8 units. So you need to screw it here at the housing, 8 units. Now we'll look at the photo on the left first. The top cover, the top part, has an adjustable height of 380 mm max. So after adding all the measurements in the red color font, the max is 1735 mm. That means if your plaster ceiling is within this height, you do not need to do a box up or cabinet or anything else to conceal the piping of the hood. If you are using a back-to-back installation, for example the photo on the right, then you do not need a high cover to conceal the pipe because the pipe will directly go behind of the hood. If you are using a gas stove like me, then you can install the bracket at 1310 mm height from table to the center of the bracket screw. If you are using electric hob, then you can install the hood lower, slightly lower, about 60 mm plus minus. Then for back-to-back installation, it's recommended to install the ducting hole 7 inches, and the height should be from table to the center of the hole 1550 mm. And then if you refer to the FOTILE catalog diagram, the hole is actually not at the center, it's slightly towards the right. But if you already done it and made it at the center, it's fine as well. So after mounting the bracket, you see the bracket is like this. So you just need to hook up the hood. Very simple. Okay, so this is the top of the hood. So this is how it looks like after hooking in the hood to the bracket. Next, connect in the ducting. If you have extra, cut it off. And then to secure it, use this ST 3.9 times 9.5 screw like this one, and screw it in here. There's one here and another one the other side. To further secure the ducting airtight, you will need this aluminium tape. Aluminium tape is provided together with the hose. Okay, so next take the aluminium tape, and then after it, turn on the hood and test to see there's any air leak or not. Then next, slot in the second top layer cover, and then tighten it with a screw here at the top, left and right. So that's all about the installation guide. So if you want to purchase this hood or you want to know more, do WhatsApp us as per the phone number below. But if you already purchased this from another seller, then I think it's fair that you call them to provide you with the advice and after sales service. So we are not directly from FOTILE, we are actually a reseller as well. Thank you.